Eye Badwam so kase ensem no de obetie bi ene se afutu akwa magana ban ene aso ye hwenwasua ho nsem so sento so suku no wonsai emfa enko eye se de na omokọ dada no ano sanso na ye befi hodo so a Chief Justice ma me esaba to kunu so etufo se atemu adwuma ko no wanya wadwuma fefefe na wohwemu a wonse ye betu dwa se so lampo ntemu hodo mo no nsamso bi wo nsu atoma hohoro no makoni abadi ehu nsem aye bibi ho na wo kiremu a enadodo ode ma mpanifo nya de se wo mom atumi ahwe aye we ne nsem hohoro bi nam de so mo se Badwam so kase wo hia me aye afre anno chewa pa ajwa se wa fe nsem ne twemo no be de to so amawo achechefo nkabo muko ba ko ye wo mayi emo National Association of Graduate Teachers ye charity ase na grant mo mpanifo e de adesuade ato Ghana ba ne aso ye hwenwasua ho nsem nyina nim se wo srada enka no na nkwada na bi ye double track na se bi kwa na bi amakwa betina fie na ofoforo nso kọ timperimfo hwanye nhyehyeye na omonsa enkosa de na no mu nyina kobom no mu nyina amakwa pepepe no sanse mititina ni Emma Nagrat eye opanyi Angel Kabonu ena di tuja
Emra Free Senior High School bae no aban enso di double track e bae a school for no ebeko obi nkrofo bi beko school na nkrofo bi atena fie na edumri bi na nkrofo foforo nso akọ school sa double track e di ohye etu yenso e di pressure potokasa e beka pressure etu yenso sisi abebia ye du ya bre ye nuanu ma omo ye juma wo kitchen na school mukase amo nko holiday omo nya omo ahome ye headmasters ni assistant heads any house staff omo nya omo ahome teachers ay tradie no rest na ye kono sanso a enye ye because e ba no sanso na amanfo de omo sika na ekọ ayaresabia na omo brebre ye pese kacha Ministry of Education in Ghana Education Service any aban say omo hye ebo say infie enum 5 years ena omode free senior double track no ebeba wiye sa infie enum no atwam ena sesia yes an double track no so ye bo aban kokko se kono sa na ebedru mrebi ye nso ye be take a decision say ya bre ye koji ya home ye kacha aban say in Katiti na your 3 terms, first term, second term, third term. Mumayen call back to our 3 terms. So that teacher tried yet to say busumi anaya na wakwaji na home kakra. Your long vacancy so eba July to around September. E hono so na teacher nso akwakwaji na home. Uji wa home a emma e hye wa pomo den. Utumi ba beye juma na odi aboa Ghana ma. Na nsema ye ken se abaya antia ye san ye press conference a ye be catch ye teacher for say ya do mrebie ya bre ye kwakoji
yenko ensem foforo emu na Chief Justice ma me Gertrude Araba Esaba Saki tokono odi ade hwede ato atemu adwuma ko ni nyina nim se wosrada wo musika se bontoto ye na wo se ko ya fe kwa no obi ama ne mu enyedu na atemu adwuma no atentene ne wode ahye wonsa no wonye ne sa pepepe ne buo na ewo ho no wonkosoa enkwemu.
Deep awareness of social context, we can contribute to the strength, investment driving, and security of the communities we serve. The judiciary is a bedrock upon which the pillars of justice, fairness, and the rule of law firmly stand. We are the guardian of our constitution, the protector of fundamental rights and freedoms, and the beacon of hope for those who seek redress and peaceful resolution of conflicts. And our nation must appreciate the depth of our service through transparency and the records from our courts.
And which President Awoda AMJG ano His Lordship Henry Kofi editor just say judges and magistrates e my Ghana won kakra bia e ya na was aban edema wo mo no e chere dodo nso ba aban ba so se wasisi court bebre e wo man mu a e boa na nso wo mu akon masika ne de wo mfa bi enka ho.
The issue of delayed payment of allowances, fuel, which my lord referred to, quinquennial leave, medical allowances, other allowances, book allowance. These issues and the delays was clearly seen as a hindrance to the effective delivery of justice.
And key awareness of social context.
Yanko sola na efri sola ne bole entem hono no hono ana abe ho doli ensam so na be na watwe ntem ni ensuka kraka ye to wasavana mantem no hohoro bridge no eko na omanfo a mekira akwantifo ne ahyankafo ene eye osoafo ye ohwe akwantimpo ho nsem so di hyemu emo hyebo se obepa bia ye foforo bi na se alternative route na se akwantifo ne ahyankafo afaso so kiremu a besi saa bre bibia ne ho akoso ye amakone abade ho nsem ayeden wo kwan ne so.
You are coming from afterwards. You got to the if anybody wants to buy, you have to carry cost of carriage. You have to carry it to the riverside. Then they also take a canoe, send it, you pay for it. Those that are at the other side, you pay for it again before it can get to the border. Which he gave us, he said within 1 week. And if you get to know, it's more than 1 week now. It's almost getting to 2 weeks. Nothing is being done.
And wachi wamu etishin munsuni Adom kasi atwetwe nkomo no kire sebra wo hu se woswafo ya ba ho ani je pa enso se se di mfidi nko na esi wono mu awobia emeye ensamso no ema wo mu ye kire se enyade aban adwene wo mu.
You're talking hard, please. The government, we need your help. You'll be deceiving us all the time. All the time you'll be deceiving us. We'll do this for you, we'll do this for you, and we'll be hearing you. We'll be hearing your scenarios all the time. Why, government, why you do this to us? Oh, so the youth, you want the youth to go and stay?
Every baller could do Tona, your home chile, finding our faith. I don't know one because I want to say they're finding it. Just let road minister and then I put one say. Now, yes, solar baller tuna and up to one, Yakagana for whom by Akufado say.
Yes.
On Bombadi, don't remember yet and finding my any bridge in one here.
I was everyone money on concern for from money babbage and more poor Yaman Sebno in Monkoko. A call bomb quantity and a more co-work we are mudia chilco say a quano said and yapa pebiasa na nisa entino and a year obame hen and na efa opera maya what to me you know one nen himful and impeding for would be a can home and your mouth 40 months so I wash na a quine or more tim sebayan quashebia and see our quines.
Faso says ye save quino. Yet ye quino ye save no because 208 Kufuor be my enya maintenance bia e kwan no so edu ba bia na ho ode mba fom ti ye hu se ebedi ewu nti ye si akwan no nti na ye ne ya manfo edom ebe abeboa ya save kwan no ye nya engineers de ye nya road contractors de na bibi say ya yetimi save na ansana the relevant authorities are be handle.
Yamani boni enetime mufu binom etwetwe nkomo wonom so ede nsem sei eto aso
ye nam wankrofo de boy so fa so nia ne be ya gise ebua ansi na nakra de ne ho agimu a meso mbeduru ha mentimi ntwam nko ansi masi a meso medi me ho agimu bi
ena yesun so ache yesun ache de bia ye fa so bagru fie na honam nira ya oya nti me kwa assembly ma me wo mpotai mu a me kwa me kasa sa MC so adi ache sa ba ye besra man so mra no me adoe
I be wa crowd me etna ka mu na o se driver ni nti so ko ase ekwan na me do fa so no kra mponye anka ye crowd anka me consider no mate so na ekwan na ngintimenti so iti no kra ka homa esika sem so no wakwadwa wo ba kra se be ya wo di usika nyina ba be du fie kra na ya sem driver 40 me gini nyina
Bia ye faso sesi
everyone enko amadwan sem mo ebiem na womo a na wotai alan kojo chairmantin achi ewo ye woti mantem mo no me ne campaign coordinators ene achitafo no wo mo chie mo panyina pa no ho achi efrem MPP amanyoko nim na omo so do mu guso a MPP amanyoko nim banti wontimi mfo mo duro nkota panyina ye chi abra wo kogina content kro na wapremra mampanyina edibre eno nti sese wadi wo mu duro nyina atai Kennedy akompreko ohene Japan achi
Alan Kodetremantin, innovative region, have decided to throw our support behind Kennedy Ohene Adom is this. Alan Tremantin is somebody who has a plan to transform Ghana. He has planned to create jobs. So I think that if you look at all the aspirants, aspirants so far, there's none of them that is preaching this message. It is only Kennedy Ohene Adom that is preaching this strong message. And so we think that he's the man to lead MPP come 2024 elections.
Echidiphobia, when your money boni attention common so is Sudia say.
To say yes, Alan Crawford, not a Mray Alan Chinin, no name say, one look and Omudomu Ajumba, no more than now Ghana. When ya, or better said, send away Sunya, Omumian, they expect somebody to knock Bragan on mine.
And nothing on Mudimrika says a papa Cordia. Obi obetumi Badwam mabu obema ye njuma ye obeko ama grassroots fo no omo de omo support ebetachi nti ye de asedanko a omo abai ye no mu nyina ye nipa baako
nti kan de me alanya nimu ndai de me de me support man 100% and yes obi and ese ni mbeka me nkasa me de no Solomon Boja if we want district that's it.
Yenyina otimantam fon sam yiso na kasiam de so mo bedwam so no pai no me mfa de nyina ensi wo hia me a eya freme anno chewa ba ajwase wa ye da ye ho aba na ye ba kwasinsi abeka me ho do bonkrata no pense mu no ye de beto so.